Alright guys, it is Tuesday, and today, Brent, what are we doing today?
We are doing the engine bay.
We're going to paint Chris's engine bay, so we're taking all the stuff off. We already took the intake off, and take a few more bolts off and nuts, and then we're going to start scuffing, and then we got to tape it up. So we're repainting the engine bay because Chris scratched it, so hopefully after this time you'll take your time, Chris, and not scratch it, because we're real worried that you're going to scratch up again. So we're just going to paint towards the shock towers forward. There's no need to really paint it. It's already Mystic. So it'll blend nicely. You won't even be able to tell. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. We're going to clean it up, wipe it off, take the overflow tank off. I did paint the supercharger tank and the overflow tank. He had the metal ones, and we painted a Mystic to match, but we are not going to be installing those. He's going to install those after, you know, you got to let all the system, all the fluid out of the system and stuff like that. Alright, so I just got off the phone with Chris, and since he has wire tucks and everything, and this core support is so nice, and he deleted the hood latch because he's got the hood pins, we're going to go ahead and shave all this. So we're going to weld all this up, hammer that down, weld, grind these ground nipples off on both sides. This is where the hood prop was, and that was another ground, and then we're going to ground this smooth, fill all these holes in, and then primer it, and then paint it later. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to shave the front. We're going to shave these holes in the back right here that the hood strut used to go to. That way it just cleans the engine bay up and makes it look a lot nicer. So yeah, I just talked to Chris. He's okay with it, and it's just something me and Brent just thought of, and we just wanted to do just to make the engine bay that much nicer. There's no need for all the holes and the ground places, since he's already did his own grounds and then wire tucked everything. So we're going to get to grinding. Alright Chris, we didn't like the holes that you put here. I know you didn't like them either, because you told me that you just had no choice. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these steel washers that are thick, and we're going to weld these in and make it flush. And then I know we don't have the hood fitted or the fenders fitted, but we're going to we can ream that out if we have to later after we weld it on. So we got all the holes grounded down, but I did miss two. And then we got the ones down here. So now we're ready to weld. Brent's going to ground those, and then we just kind of put these shirts up here so that we don't get the condenser from the molten debris. Up and grounded down, and now it is ready to be sanded. And then we're going to mud the whole entire front core support, and then the little holes back here, and then they'll be ready to block and prime tonight. I got the paint booth. I got all the export mirrors in the paint booth, and actually today we got a present in the mail. Such a hot car. We got some more 0304 Cobra mirrors that came from Utah. So we got Denny's 0304 Cobra mirrors, and we're going to paint them bright Atlantic blue. So I'm assuming he's putting them on a 99 or 2000 bright Atlantic blue GT. So we're going to unwrap those to get those started. And then we got Chris's NOS export mirrors. We're going to paint them Mystic when we do so in the next couple days. So Brent's going to grind that all down. I'm going to be in the booth spraying some black base, and then I'll check on you guys in the booth after I get some base done. So Brent's getting it ready to so we can lay down some mud.
Alright guys, so Tyler's gone. I don't think he's gone for the day. I think he'll be back. He went to sell something, I have no idea. Some guy in Clarksville. Anyways, I love doing this to you guys. I love going and surprising Tyler with just little videos because he's the one that edits all these videos. So anyways, we're working on Chris's Mystic right now. It is looking awesome. We're doing the front core support, and we're cleaning the engine bay up. So he already had the Scott Rod panels in it, as you guys saw. We're just doing a little bit of mud work as he scratched it and kind of messed it up. Anyways, they went and welded and shaved everything in the front here. So it's looking awesome. And I just want to let you guys know that Brent is the one that's perfecting this thing. I think Tyler welded it up, but for the most part, I'm over here sanding it. Laying the icing is what we like calling it. Yeah, love that icing. So anyways, just a few small places where we wanted to clean it up a little bit. And man, the car is freaking awesome. Love it, Chris. Love it. Love the wheels. Love the air ride. Love it. So I wish we could just have it for like a year so we could take it to car shows, but I guess Chris will do that for us. And hood's turned out great. A bunch of other stuff turned out awesome. Tyler's got in the paint booth. I think we're painting mirrors and a few other things today. But man, I just, I'm so excited, you know. All you YouTube watchers are just so great. Look, Tyler's got the paint gun up. I guess he's still got to spray clear. And we went and painted his front, it's a headlight panel or header panel, I guess is what we call it. Anyways, God, these things are just sweet. Painted all these mirror, export mirror couplets black. Just got to clear those. We'll show you guys that stuff in the video. But this Mach is supposed to be going down, so we've got to go and wash, wax it, detail it, go through a few things. And it is just such a nice car. Honestly, makes me jealous. Kind of makes me want a Mach for a daily. Not this color per se, just because I feel like either A, a lot of people have already here bought one in Louisville and had one. I think white is sick. I love black, obviously. Kind of a black paint fan myself. But I don't know. I'd love a Mach 1. Honestly, I'd like to copy Bobby's Mach. Anyway, so here's Brandon's car. Yanked the back bumper. I don't think it's ever been off. I went and I yanked it this morning, and all the clips were there. Everything was so nice on it. I was just absolutely amazed. He's a little bit too low on the back for me. Tire rubs, but Tyler said we're not bringing it back up, so it is what it is. He does kind of just lower the thing all he wants. Anyways, guys, the shop is doing awesome. It's a new year, 2018. We got a lot in store for you guys, a crazy amount. So we're just going to start blowing stuff up. We're going to get new camera. We're going to get a new computer. We're going to hopefully get some live stream stuff, and I can't tell you the rest of it, but there's going to be a lot of new merchandise that you guys can buy. So we're going to have like quick links that you guys can get some stuff from us. We're not going to tell you everything you buy, but we'll show you whenever it's up and running. So it's going to be a good year. 2018 is it. Mustang Week is still far away. We got a lot of cars to build and cars for us. So Christian's car's come a long way, and I don't even think you guys have seen a video. Christian's car, 87 Saleen, 87 175. So it looks rough right now, but man, it is such a sweet car. So I think Tyler will have some new videos up here. I think he should have some already up here for you really soon. But this thing turned out freaking awesome. We still got a few more things to do on it. And all you Fox body lovers, so I tried making a bracket here. Autofocus. Alright, so anyways, we deleted EGR. I made a bracket that bolted up to the throttle body, and then it bolts up to this. I didn't even notice it till I was bolting it up, but this is even, somebody made this one, so it's been welded on. So anyways, I made the back bracket. This was already a previously made bracket. I have no idea who did it for the throttle cable, but what I ended up running into whenever we deleted EGR, so that's what a lot of that stuff is. Salt and pepper shaker. We're putting AC in it. It's got long tubes in it, Coney shocks, adjustables, blah, blah, EGR delete. I kind of just, whenever we go through stuff, I mark all the wires. So anyways, and then AC, a lot of that stuff's AC. So we're going to plug all that stuff in. Anyways, so because there's no spacer there, of course, this is the problem I ran into. So as you can kind of see underneath here, we've got the heater tube, and then this is the throttle bracket, and it won't rev up. It won't do it. So anyways, we do need that spacer, at least for this intake, which is the awesome Vortec intake that Christian's got. So I'm going to go and have Christian order me probably, I don't know, at least a 1/2 inch spacer. I'm going to go and measure it out here in a little bit. We're going to end up painting all this stuff black just so it looks cool. And then we're changing the intake. We just want to put that there for it. A lot of people don't know that SN95 oil caps go on there. That thing looks mint. He ordered one for us. And man, this thing's freaking sweet. Love it, love it, love it. Still got to install the AC compressor, run all the lines, which is kind of going to make it uglier, but it's still really clean. Tyler finally painted my pulley right there for the water pump. Thank God I haven't got the bolts for it yet. I'm kind of picky about stuff like that. I've got to touch all these stuff up. So anyways, Christian's Fox has come along nicely. I've just got to talk Tyler into knocking it out, because he's the one that kind of sprays the paint. So anyways, I guess I just got to be the one to start freaking sanding it. So we're going to do the door jambs since the door's already off. We're just going to do everything at the same time. So we're going to do door jambs. We're just going to tape it up, do quarter panels. The hatch will be off. And then we're going to do the roof at the same time. So the car's really nice. We kind of just did that. Car's really, really nice. I mean, like, no rust. No problems with it. We didn't even have to, like, fix anything yet, other than a few dings. And I think there's some mud in the other quarter. So anyways, this thing is going to be sweet. He ordered new springs because it's like a monster truck in the back end. New Coney shocks for the rear too. We just got to clean some stuff up. The old hatch, I think, was pretty rough. So anyways, he got this hatch for it. Correct Saleen spoiler, blah, 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 all that fun stuff. He's going to get the seats redone. And I got to clean up a few things here in the dash. A lot of stuff's dusty, but it really just blows off. So we don't really worry about it too much. Plus, he's actually redoing the interior. He's going to put new carpet in it. Hopefully a new center console, because that thing's pretty rough. Just want to give you guys some updates. Running around the shop today. It's just a Tuesday, so it's not even trash day. It's not fuck around Friday. It's not Saleen Saturday. It's not anything. So, got a lot to do. Got a lot to paint. And, ooh, we got a VMP install on that Terminator. So, a lot to do. We'll keep you guys updated. See you soon.